Welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday the 27th of January and finally a day with dry roads. Washed, all the road salt washed off mostly, and not all the crap washed off them, still all the potholes usual. But yeah, great to get out with some dry roads. A wee bit muddy up here at the farm and then we'll get away on some good tarmac. Give this wee bike a good clean out. Take it easy along here a bit, because quite a lot of horses sometimes are on these roads. So yeah, we catch up. We were both on holiday last week and we were away in the van up to Rothy Marcus, just outside Abbeymoor. Had the bicycles with us, and you'll see in the film with the old car we went to see. G came across that when we were just doing some sort of research and places to go and see and stuff, and we thought we'd better go and see that. So there's another 2 films coming up, just going around the Caledonian pine forest around Rothy Marcus. Absolutely beautiful up there, really is. So obviously we've had storms and rain all over the UK, and no exception I believe down here. Up north all the snow went and there's quite a lot of water flooding, but it was still a good time to get away, and it's good to come back to some clean roads a bit. So let's give this bike a good hammering, so it's not been out for a good thrash for a while. If you could see the smile on my face winging it through the gears on these roads. Absolutely brilliant to get out again on roads like this, dry. And it's funny, right, we're never over 60, flying through the gears, wee bike saying it's heart high, and it's like we're not even going over 60, it feels like we're doing 100 mile an hour. It's just brilliant, and so many folk are getting these bikes now. They're just getting what it's all about. You don't need that top speed, daft top speed. You know, you just got to lose your licence and all that, or something bad's going to happen. Keep it slower, get on the back roads and have an absolute hoot. junction here under Bateney Bridge is notorious for folk pulling out, so never fly through this bridge. Good excuse for a bit of noise as well. These roads and what's happening with everyone with our Enfields now leads to the next thing. I'm going to swallow my pride saying I wouldn't buy something, and I will put a cam in this because I think I'll get the advantage of that mid-range power on these roads and when we're doing big hills as well. So yeah, I'm a bit late to the party. Stephen, Norfolk Thunderbolt, you've got one now, so I better get one too. They're out of stock though at Hitchcock, so I might drop an email to reserve one. And I'll put that in myself. Not a big job. I've got the tools, so that's something else to look forward to for spring. Great road this though. We'll stop up at the tower at Kingston for some photos. So Fenton Tower, as this is now called, we always knew it was Kingston Tower. It used to be a ruin right up till 10 years or so ago, maybe a bit longer than that. It was restored, and it's obviously now some sort of function thing you can book. It used to be pre-65 scrambles around the ground around it when we first left school. That's pretty cool. So anyway, I'll get a thumbnail photo here.
Excellent!
Right, buzzing to be out in the dry again. Brilliant.
We're rotting that exhaust. God, they're awful.
That cheap Punjab exhaust. We're rotting away. I'm not bothering painting it again. I'm just leaving it to rot out, and then I'm just going to put a full stainless pipe on the bike, and I'll just dull it all down. I'll put cloth wrap on it or whatever. Yeah, that's what will happen there. Anyway, I'll get a picture. One zoomed in will be a bit better, so. Alright, just a quick film. I'm off to do some other filming this afternoon. We film keep us going. We get out soon as well on your bikes, and stop potholes about, so be careful, but have fun. Alright, see you later. Bye for now.